honest, I thought about putting makeup on today. And, well, this is the real me. Sometimes I might put on makeup, sometimes I might do my hair, sometimes I might wear not a free shirt, but today is going to be one of those days. So this video I wanted to talk about my plants, but specifically how I'm incorporating plants into my Christmas decor. So Handmade Jungle is my brand, and I'm always trying to figure out ways to do DIYs and stuff like that involving plants. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to start with my Christmas tree because, well, it's a plant. Well, for me, it's a fake plant, but it is a Christmas tree nonetheless. So obviously a super easy way to incorporate plants into your Christmas decor is to have a Christmas tree. Yeah. I really want a pink Christmas tree. I don't know if Rowan would be really that down for it though. I have some stuff on the TV there. You've seen some of the things that we've done here, like macrame plant hanger that I did at a workshop recently. I've added some things to our bar cart as well. You'll see that there's like lots of little greenery and different fake things. Also created my little village here, which has all sorts of different pieces of greenery, faux mostly, and then I even used some of those pieces in a little jar. I've been trying to use my signs, my letterboard sign and my cinema light box sign in as much of the home decor. Then you've also seen my little teddy bear dining table with the when you go beautiful arrangement. So that's like easy fake stuff, right? So what I thought would be a little bit more fun is to show you how I incorporated Christmas elements into my already existing plants. So this is my monstera. It doesn't have a name. Sometimes I call it Monty. And I've added Christmas balls to it. So this I got from an idea when I was doing my macrame plant hanger workshop with Emberia. This macrame plant guy here has little Christmas balls. I was like, huh, that's super cute. So I decided that I would do that on Monty the Monstera as well. The next thing I did, which I was like a little bit nervous to do because I kind of wanted to string the lights on my fiddly fig, but then I was worried that they might be a little too heavy, and my fiddly fig is like doing okay, but you don't want to risk it, right? So instead I decided to drape some of my Christmas lights all the way around and then through my guy and then up and around the window as well. Then you also might have seen the amount of wreaths I made recently. It's a lot. So we've got one just hanging on a door because I didn't know where to put it. It's hung up with a over the door hanger. I've also got one on our bathroom door because on the other side of the door is a coat hanger, another over the door coat hanger, and I just used this string and tied it around. Made it really easy to do. So I'm not done. There might be some more cool things coming along soon that I'll definitely share with you, especially like a full home tour because we're getting there. We'll be there soon, I think. Hopefully. Maybe. I don't know. There's still boxes to be unpacked. If you like what you see here, I don't know why you would, but maybe you do. You can hit subscribe below and you'll stick around and see all of my Vlogmas and everything I'm doing in the next 2 weeks with Christmas and all sorts of things. Bye! I almost forgot the best part. Okay, not the best part, but like one of the coolest parts. So I bought this. I'm having a little hard time picking it up. But I bought this globe at the Drake Journal store, and it's a cactus. How cute is it?